In this video, we will introduce you to our Ricoh Smart Device Connector. Smart Device Connector is an app that can be downloaded from App Store or Play Store directly for free. We need to establish connection between Ricoh MFP and mobile device. In this example, we will be using Wi-Fi direct connection. Step 1. Select Settings. Select Screen Features Settings. Turn on the wireless direct settings. Select Group Owner Mode. Please take note on the connection password as this is required later during Wi-Fi connection. Select Return Key until you reach to home screen. Step 2. Select Connector app icon on the Ricoh Smart Operation panel. Select Settings. Tick Allow Usage by Guest. Scroll down. Tick Use HTTPS connection. Once done, select Exit and select Home. Step 3. Turn on your mobile device Wi-Fi. Select Settings. Select the Ricoh Wi-Fi name according to the machine model. Example, we are using Ricoh IMC 2000. The Wi-Fi name is Direct RI IMC 2000. Next, key in the Wi-Fi password and select Connect. Next, disable the mobile data. Please ensure you are successfully connected to the machine Wi-Fi. Step 4. Download the Ricoh Device Connector app. Launch the app. Select Connect with NFC. Select Add Machine. Select Search and Add Machine. The apps will automatically detect the Ricoh MFP device. Select Register. Set the model as default. Complete the setup. To print from the mobile, select Print. Select Album. Select Device File Folder. And you may choose accordingly. Select Done. Select Print Settings. You may choose your setting accordingly. Once done, select Start.